Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm opening 2021 Bowman Chrome Hobby Box. As most of you guys know, they call this a master box. It's got two mini boxes and master box total of 60 cards. Mini box has 30 cards, 6 packs per mini box and 5 cards per pack, so makes it 30 in a mini box. So we should have one autograph in each mini box. So what that means is in this whole this master box should give us 2 chrome autographs. So yeah, this is the product that I'm waiting for every year. Bowman as a product, it's pretty valuable in my opinion, and you wanted to get that first Bowman card of the player. They usually, if the player turns out to be good, they are typically worth a lot of money. But without further ado, oh, by the way, this is came out about 2 days ago. Spent about $200 on this master box, and yeah, let's dig right into it. Okay, let's see if there's anything in here. Nothing. Alright, put that aside there. And so 2 mini boxes. Okay, so first mini box. I wonder if people just buy one mini box instead of a whole master box. I guess that's what the purpose of the mini boxes, right? So that people can sell it individually. But can you actually buy them on eBay? I haven't seen a eBay anybody who put on a mini box on eBay. But this is the odds information here. And here are the packs. And we're gonna go for this first pack. Okay, Dalen Carson, rookie. Christian Pache, rookie. And we have this summer camp, Austin Hendrick. This is an insert card. Summer camp insert. And first Bowman of Carlos Colmenares. Plays shortstop for Rays. Very nice. First Bowman, and first Bowman of Melcar Perez, third baseman for Seattle. Moving right along. So you guys, if I miss any big cards, please leave in the comments below. As I tend to do that a lot, especially on Bowman products. A lot of times they're a good prospect and just not aware of any big prospect, and I miss any big pull. So make sure you leave a comment below if that's the case. Here and we got a Christian Santana first Bowman. This one gotta be a number card. Wait, no. Am I missing any number anywhere on the front? Nope. Very nice. Very I like this design. What do you call this? Shimmer card, maybe. Very nice looking. Yeti Cap, maybe Cap. First Bowman. Christian Hernandez, first Bowman. P. Alonso. Very nice. Very nice. P. Alonso. Goldschmidt. 40-man futures. Hedbert Perez. Insert Reed Demeters. And we got Hedbert Perez again. And there's a straight line right through his face there. Great. Oh, it's gone. Good. All right. Mike Trout. There you go. Joe Adele, rookie. All right. Helcris Olivares, a pitcher for the Colorado Rockies. First Bowman. Very nice. First autograph. Nick Gonzalez and Wander Franco. Very cool. Let's see. Shouldn't the Wander Franco be rookie? Don't know. Anyways, Ryan Jeffer, rookie. Bobby Dalbec. Alejandro Kirk. This one is number 347 out of 499. Alejandro Kirk. Numbered. Christian Santana, first Bowman. And Luis Medina, first Bowman. One last pack for this mini box. First mini box. We have Sexto Sanchez, rookie. Tristan McKenzie, rookie. 40-man future. Jason Dominguez. Max Meyer. Robert Hassel. Very cool. So we got our first autograph. Helcris Olivares. First Bowman. Second mini box. Alright. Let's see. Better luck. Rookie, Brady Singer. We got Summer Camp Royce Lewis. Francisco Olivares. Drew Waters. Suarez. With Merrifield. Emerson Hancock. Seattle Mariners. Manuel Beltre, first Bowman. Puyu Chen, first Bowman. It's from Taoyuan City, Taiwan. Puyu Chen, first Bowman. All right. Got Arares and Tatis. Is this one? No. Nothing special. I don't think. Just kind of looks like a very yellowish card. 40-man future, Gabriel Arias. First Bowman, Guado Garcia. Kevin Made. Randy Rosarina. Shohei Ohtani. Very good. Oh, we have a redemption. Alright, I'm gonna go do that last. Ed Howard. And we got Joshua Gray. The redemption will be Chrome rookie autograph. Nice. Jose Garcia, Cincinnati Reds. Very nice. Cool. Definitely redeem that. But this Shohei Ohtani looks nice. Very nice. By the way, I bought a 2018 Bowman Chrome. So hopefully we'll get a chance to open that for you guys. That will be most likely will be titled Shohei Ohtani Chase 2008 rookie chase. 2018 Bowman Chrome box break. So looking forward to do that. Probably will do it sometime this weekend, hopefully, if I get around to do that. All right. Jaron Duran. Ooh, this one definitely a thicker card here. 355 out of 499. Jaron Duran, outfielder from Boston. I think as we speak, I think Boston is playing Yankees. The grave rivalry game. Luciano. Jerry Kelly. Last one. Jimenez, rookie. Dunning. Blaze Jordan. Peraza. And Alec Thomas. Very cool. Alright, so just a recap, really quick. First autograph was Chris Oliveras. First Bowman autograph. Very nice. And got 2 number cards. Right here. And got my favorite player Ohtani. And I got this shimmer refractor of Christian Santana. Also a first Bowman, not number. And I got a Mike Trout card somewhere in Tatis, and this Wander Franco. And the second autograph was a redemption. Chrome rookie autograph of Jose Garcia from Cincinnati Reds. So definitely gonna redeem this, and when I get it, I'll definitely share it with you guys. Alright, so that's 2021 Bowman Chrome. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please give me a subscription. And I try to put out 1 new video per week. And yeah, I have a good day. Until next time, have a good one, guys.